Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat login temporarily disabled error. So if Snapchat won't let you sign in and shows this message, just follow along. First, close the Snapchat completely by swiping down from the bottom of your screen and then removing the Snapchat app from the recently opened app. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Snapchat from the App Store. And if you're using any third-party Snapchat apps, plugins, or tweaks, remove them immediately as they can trigger this error. After that, restart your phone and try signing in again. You should also check if your internet connection is strong and try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. And if you've entered the wrong password multiple times, wait a few hours before trying again. Another option is to reset your Snapchat password using the forgot password feature on the login screen. And if the error still appears, visit Snapchat's account unlock page and follow the instructions to unlock your account. So those are some of the best ways to fix the Snapchat login temporarily disabled error. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.